Welcome back to the channel. We already vulcanized the tires and let's install it. Now take note of the rotation. So it is pointing this way, bike goes this way. Okay, so this is the right position. There are just 3 torque specs that you have to remember: axle torque specs, pinch bolt torque specs, and then brake mount torque specs. That's it. Now keep in mind that you have 2 kinds of spacers. One has like a flange like this, and the other one is just flat. So this goes to the left, then this goes to the right. Now let's align this. Now if you notice that on the left side there's no pinch bolt, because this is technically the nut itself. So what you need to do is to torque the axle to spec, and that's it. So this is a 17mm Allen key. So torque spec is, it's in Newton meters. Let's convert it first. 72 Newton meters, which is in foot pounds 53. 50. Okay. Now you don't have to do it in increments because this is just 1 bolt. There you go. Then let's install the brakes. Make sure to put Loctite. I'll torque this to spec, and that's 45 Newton meters. And then this will be your last step. So don't skip on this because this is very important. Now that is very necessary so that your forks will be in at its neutral position, and then just tighten this to spec. So on this part you need to do it alternately. Until you get 25 Newton meters. you go. So there's just three things to remember: your torque specs, your step-by-step procedure, and of course the aligning of the forks, which is slam the brakes, make the shocks fold so that it will align or position itself to its neutral position, and then tighten the pinch bolt. Torque specs are 45 Newton meters for the brake mount, 25 Newton meters for the pinch bolt, and then 72 Newton meters for the axle. So that's it. Peace.